All right, get a good listen because this is the last time it's gonna sound like this. Are you trying to pick an exhaust for your diesel truck, mostly Duramax, and don't know if you're picking the right size? I did the same thing. 4-inch, 5-inch, straight pipe, muffler. What do? Well, this is the video for you. I am so stoked. I just installed 5-inch on my LLY Duramax, and I love it. 5-inch straight, the MBRP 3-inch downpipe, along with the MBRP 5-inch exhaust, and I am so stoked. We're gonna do things like cold start, idle, revving it in park, getting on the freeway, underpass, drive-bys. You guys are gonna get a super good idea of what the 5-inch is gonna sound like. Comment below if you want another video of the 4. I've got buddies that have the exact same setup, 3-inch downpipe, but they're on a 4-inch straight. Tell me, I'll do a 4-inch video with one of their trucks. But today you're gonna see all the different things with the 5-inch. So stay tuned through the whole video. And on that note, first thing I need to do is head to Walmart to get a tripod, because this is gonna be really hard if I can't put anything on a tripod because I don't have anyone willing to help me today. So we're still gonna make it work. You guys deserve it, right? All right, guys, I know you're gonna kill me for this. We're in an automatic car wash, but what better place to test your exhaust than in a big enclosed tunnel and surprise everyone? Gosh, it's my favorite thing to do. I don't know why, but it's so fun. All right, are you guys ready? I don't know if it picked up or not, but it sounded sweet to me. I know, you're gonna scratch the paint, blah, blah, blah. I get it. I do it in the winter. I buy an express pass to our local tunnel car wash because it's so much easier with all the snow and salt and stuff to keep it good. And then each spring, you can just do a paint correction. I have to have my friend Josh Coombs with Utah Mobile Detailing. I'd have him do the paint correction for us, and then, you know, that'll be good for spring, summer, fall. Winter comes, get an express pass, keep the salt off it, and just refresh every time. I love how under the overpasses, it gets that deep growl, but you don't lose the whistle. I know the downpipe helps with the whistle too, but I love on the 5-inch, it's that deep growl and just kind of stays throaty the whole time. That's what I love about it. Kind of not so much vacuum like the 4-inch, but I don't know, it's just, I dig it. You guys heard it. I think it sounds good. If you made it this far, thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a like and subscribe if this video helped you, if you like the content. Comment below things you would change, what you liked, what you didn't, if you think the 5 inches was the right choice, if I should have done 4-inch. And today's question is, you're going to have the answers if you're an OG or if you watched all the videos, because they're in the first video I made or the second is going to be your answer. Or a Dose merch hoodie. What is the name of our French Bulldog from the Toyota days? Comment below. First person to comment and follows us and subscribes to YouTube with the correct answer, I'll DM you on Instagram and get your information, and we'll let you pick your size and colors that we have available of a hoodie or a shirt and get it sent to you. Thanks again, guys. Been awesome. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day and a Merry Christmas.